Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this class. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create images using your Nano Banana, and these images are going to be super realistic that people will actually think you made those images like you took the images from a studio. So to begin, we would open up our Gemini app. This is mine right here. So you just click on open. If you have not downloaded it, just go to your Play Store, come to your Play Store, and you will search for Gemini. Search for Gemini and click on the first one, and this is it right here. I've already installed the app, so I don't need to install it again. I'll just click on open. Now this is what it looks like when you open your Gemini. This is what it's going to look like. So to start creating images, we are going to start with the first step, which is just giving our Nano Banana a simple prompt and let it create something for us. There is also another method, which is where you would want that image to have your face. Where you want the image to have your face. So to create a simple image here in Nano Banana, you will come to this menu here, down here, and you will click on it. And you will see this first place. It says create images, deep research, canvas, guided learning. We are creating images. You will just click on this create images. And then you click on the chat box to tell the AI the prompt that you want to use to create this image. You can choose to type it out, or you can choose to copy a prompt and put. I already have prompts for the purpose of this class. I created some prompts and I'm just going to copy and paste them, which I will also be posting this prompt in my WhatsApp group. In case you want to create the same thing I did, just make use of those prompts. You can also choose to tweak the prompt to your taste. So I'll come to my notepad and I would get out this prompt. So I'm just going to copy everything. And I'll paste it here. When you're giving your AI a prompt, remember, you give it a subject, you give it a description, you give it the lightning, the style, the mood. This is like a complete short prompt. It says a young African woman wearing a white flowy dress standing in a sunflower field during golden hour. Ultra realistic style, soft natural lightning, warm and peaceful mood. So this is like a short prompt that has that follows the normal prompt formula. So I'm just going to click on this and send. One thing I like about Nano Banana is it generates your image fast. Unlike ChatGPT that takes a while to generate it. Now this is our image right here. I'm going to zoom it. This is the image. You see it's created this wonderful image. Now the next part is, what if I want to create an image that comes with my face? I want to prompt this Nano Banana to create an image that has my face. To do that, just click on these three dots right here and you create a new chat. Once you create a new chat, remember what I said, click on this and you create images. Now you will put in the prompt of what you want your image, of what you want that image to be like. It could be the type of dress, it could be the mood, the style, just whatever that prompt is. This is where you put it. Describe your image. So I'm going to copy out my prompt once more, and I'll paste it, and we'll move to the next thing. So I'm going to copy everything, and I will come to my Gemini and I'm going to paste it. There is a hack that I know for this image creation. Most of the times, if you want, not most of the times, but all of the time, if you want the best result, if you want the image to have exactly your face, you should give it a headshot picture. Give it a headshot picture. What do I mean by a headshot picture? A selfie. Give it a selfie, and it should be clear enough so that the AI can pick your face, can pick all your features and put it together to create that wonderful image for you. So I'm going to give you an example. So I'll come to this plus icon. If you want to put your image, come to the plus icon right here. Click from gallery. It could be from your camera. That's if you have a good camera, you're making use of an iPhone and you just want to take straight up, you can use your camera, or you can make use of your gallery. I already have a picture, so I'm just going to click on my gallery and I will look for the picture and put it up. So I'll come to my downloads and I'm going to use this picture of mine. This is like a headshot picture. It has my complete features, my face, everything is showing perfectly and it's very clear. Now we're going to use this image right here to generate the picture of what we want. Now look at our prompt. We said create a hyper realistic shot of her. She is posing, she is sitting on the ground alongside a pool, posing confidently. She's wearing a decent black flay gown. You can choose to change the dress, that's if you're using my prompt, and an oversized black straw hat. She's wearing soft glam makeup. Now notice my picture already has a makeup, but if yours doesn't, you can choose to put in this makeup and say soft glam makeup. I'm going to leave mine the way it is. Then with long black hair, keep her facial features the same. Then keep her facial features the same. You are trying to tell the AI, please don't change the features of this picture, don't change the features of the person in this picture. Try to use the same features you're seeing in this picture. Now the next thing is now the style. Vogue fashion style pose with editorial lighting. So we are going to do like a model photo shoot. That is what we are trying to create using this prompt. So I'm just going to click on send and let's see what it creates. Voila. Now take a good look at this image. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, look at my face, everything is showing. You cannot believe that this was created, this was generated with AI. Just look at it. It picked literally every of my features. This is the original image right here, and this is what the AI gave us. Just look at it. So now you see the reason why I said make use of a picture that has like your complete features. So now I'm going to try to generate another image. So come to our three dots right here and create a new chart. I'm still going to make use of the same image. Remember to always put this in create image, this right here, create image, and it's showing you the Nano Banana symbol. That is the one you should be using, because when you use it, it creates the image perfectly, comes out perfectly. So now I'm going to click on the plus icon right here and go to my gallery. And I'm going to come to my downloads where my picture is and click on add. Now while the picture is loading, I'm just going to come right back to my notes and copy out a prompt that I have and use it. And I'm going to copy everything. Like I said, if you want the prompt, I'll be dropping it in a WhatsApp group. So now this is the prompt. This is like a full detailed prompt. A high quality portrait of a beautiful woman. Now you're going to tell it using the exact facial appearance and likeness from the reference image provided. Now I'm going to tell it to make her to wear a beautiful straight human hair. Remember, I'm on low cut on this picture. Now she is seated gracefully in a cozy indoor setting with soft warm lighting. Like all these things are like telling the AI exactly what you want. Her pose exudes confidence, warmth and tenderness. Like you're just telling the AI exactly what you want. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on send. Sorry. Now our AI is going to create an image for me. Let's see what it's going to create. Wow, oh my goodness. Now look at this image. Just look at this image. Does it look AI generated? No, it doesn't. It looks so real. The hands are real. Everything is clean. Now, this is the power of prompting. You see what I'm telling you guys? When your prompt is good and your image is clear, AI is going to give you the best. So, this is it, guys. This is like how to create an image using Nano Banana. Thank you very much for staying this long, and I will be dropping some extra prompts in the group chat for those that will want to try other settings and style. Please make sure you use those prompts to try it out and send me your results in the group. Thank you so much.